Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away, see if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. If I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Sometimes everything's on the line. I'm gonna lose it. I promise I'm gonna lose this. When I say it.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all in the silence? It's conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe that what's inside us will release us now. Oh, you know the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons to learn from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth, Lord. Maybe we're blind by design. Oh, maybe we're blind by design. Oh, maybe we're blind by design. It's something special that we're keeping in a place that's close and near and dear to our hearts. Just a lie that we are different, in our existence, and it can never happen to us all. I only know this because I feel it, and I can see that I've been left in the dark now. But what's worse is that we need it. It leaves me speechless, but we'll just have to trust now. Oh, that there's things bigger than us now. And maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to that place in the tall grass. It seems like the elders have lost time, and the lessons we've learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth, but maybe we're blind by design. Coming to the place we talk. Maybe we're blind by design. Lessons we learned from a long time. Oh, maybe we're blind by design.